Hello there, future homeowner. Have you ever dreamed of waking up to the majestic sight of mountains kissing the sky and a serene river gently flowing just 200 meters from your doorstep? Well, dream no more, because House and Land for Sale in Bulgaria is here to turn your dreams into reality. Step into a world where tranquility meets opportunity, where an 800 square meters fully regulated land hosts a charming 3-bedroom solid brick house with a stone foundation. Picture yourself in the midst of rustic beauty, surrounded by nature's bounty, with a large brick barn ready to be transformed into your ideal living space. As you explore the property, envision the possibilities. Running water and electricity, reliable mobile coverage, and high-speed internet, the modern comfort seamlessly blended with the allure of rural life. The property beckons, offering not just a holiday escape but the potential for a permanent haven or a thriving bed and breakfast business. Ask yourself, is this the life I've always yearned for? A life where every day is a retreat away from the city's chaos. Imagine sipping your morning coffee with the sun casting its first light over the mountains. Can you see it? Now, think about the endless opportunities this property holds. Could it be the canvas for your small farm, a bed and breakfast venture, or even a lucrative honeybee business? The possibilities are as vast as the views that surround you. Imagine stepping out of your door into a world of beauty, forests, rivers, and meadows stretching as far as the eye can see. A paradise for horse riding and leisurely strolls, where the air is pure, free from the noise and pollution of city life. The 100% freehold fertile land invites you to cultivate crops, fruits, and vegetables. And why not raise your own chickens for farm-fresh eggs? Now, let's talk about turning your dreams into action. House and Land for Sale in Bulgaria is available for cash purchase or with flexible pay monthly plans tailored to fit your needs. Isn't it time to invest in the life you've always wanted? Don't let this opportunity slip away. Contact us at bulgarianpropertyfinder.com today, because your dream home awaits. Leave a comment below. Tell us, what would you do with this piece of paradise? Like this video if you're ready to make a change, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on exclusive properties. We are bulgarianpropertyfinder.com, and we look forward to welcoming you in our next video. Until then, dream big and live well.